Hey everyone, Evan here. Welcome back to another important discussion brought to you by Rocky Mountain Restoration. Today, we are covering how to spot water damage before it turns into a major problem. As the go-to experts in water damage mitigation, Rocky Mountain Restoration has been serving Arizona homeowners proudly for over a decade, making us the trusted source for valuable insights just like this. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 signs you should be looking out for to protect your home and your wallet. So let's get started on the path to early detection and prevention. The first sign might be right under your nose. If you're noticing a musty smell in your home, especially places like near your water heater, dishwasher, or even your bathroom sinks, it could indicate the presence of mold or mildew, which is often a sign of water damage. A visual inspection of the area is a good idea whenever something doesn't quite smell right. If you can't find the source of the odor, but believe it to be water related, call a licensed plumber to do a more thorough inspection. Keep an eye on your walls and ceilings. Water stains can appear as big, blotchy spots. They're typically brown or yellow in color and can signal a sign of a leak. If you're seeing any unexplained discolorations, it's time to investigate further. Again, a trusted, licensed plumber would be the one to call. This one requires your ears. Sometimes the first sign of a leak is the sound it makes. Whether it's a subtle dripping or the sound of rushing water, these noises can be clear indicators of water damage, especially if they're coming from places that they shouldn't. If you can hear water dripping, leaking, or rushing into your home, seek help immediately. If possible, shut off the main water source to the building while help is on the way to avoid risking additional damage. This is a big one. If you're walking around and you notice that your floor feels a bit different under your feet, maybe it's buckling, warping, or even just feeling damp, that could be a clear sign of water lurking beneath the surface. Last but certainly not least, keep an eye out for mold. If you're seeing mold grow outside the usual spots like bathrooms, that's a red flag. Mold growth often indicates an excess of moisture, and where there's moisture, water damage is not far behind. All right, everyone, if you've noticed any of these signs in your home, it might be a time to call in the professionals. The earlier you catch water damage, the easier and more cost-effective it is to fix. Plus, you'll be safeguarding your health and the structural integrity of your home. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, stay dry and stay vigilant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Rocky Mountain Restoration is here to help anytime, any day.